GetBusy is designed to help you and your team focus on getting things done. Email can be messy, and group chat can be distracting, usually with any actions you need to do getting lost or forgotten. Once you've signed up to the GetBusy app, here's how to get going with some simple steps. Set up your profile for yourself and also for your organisation or team. This is visible to everyone you work with. See it as your business card. Then, start creating your to-do list with personal tasks. Simply add the details for each task, including any attachments and deadlines. You can categorize tasks by team project or tag them with your own personal labels. Organize and prioritize your task list by arranging them in order, and you'll see your task labels at the top. Pause items to plan for the future so you can focus on the ones that you need to do today. Create tasks involving other people and even assign tasks to them. Work together and keep up to date on the progress and status of any task. GetBusy automatically sends useful notifications and chases people with timely reminders so that nothing slips through the cracks. Don't forget to mark your tasks as completed when done, so you can see what you've achieved and see all that busy time isn't wasted time. Add your teammates and other connections you're working with outside of your team or organisation, so you can work better with each individual or together on shared projects. See what else your teammates are working on if you need to. Finally, Catch Up brings to your attention any updates and tasks that actually need your review or action, so you don't have to keep checking over all the things you're involved in. Now you're on your way to being focused, productive and happy.